Hi everyone out there. Hope you are all doing great. So today I'm gonna take you to the Pulicat Lake. This is one of the famous tourist destinations between the southern states of India, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Come and join me. I will take you through this lake, how to reach here, and what are the all things you can enjoy over here. So as I told you, we are at Pulicat Lake 3rd Century. Pulicat Lake 3rd Century is a famous 481 square kilometers located in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh and protected area in Trivallur district of Tamil Nadu state in South India. Pulicat Lake is the second largest brackish water ecosystem in India after Chika Lake in Orissa. International name is Pulicat Lake Wildlife Sanctuary. So here is our ride which will take us through the lake. This lake is extremely large. It's very large. I can say it's 448 kilometers. It can be a great place for weekend if you are in Chennai or Hyderabad. It is just 90 kilometers from Chennai, so you can take a 2-hour ride from here. You can take a local train, or you can go by a bus, or if you have a two-wheeler, you can go over. Don't mind in staying at islands. The things are provided, everything is arranged. You can pay up to 2,500 per night per person, and don't mind for asking for beer or liquor. Everything is arranged over here. This place is really nice, like for people who are interested in bird watching or interested in boating. I felt kind of a home over here. People are very friendly, very helpful, and very serves with a smile. You can enjoy a variety of non-veg things over here. 10 kinds of biryani. For example, fish biryani, mutton biryani, prawn biryani, beef biryani, crab biryani. Biggest thing I noticed over here is the lake is extremely very clean and well managed till now, and this lake may disappear within the next 100 years due to the filling up slit. Government have appointed some NGOs to clean up this lake, and efforts are on. The sanctuary is most noted for the migrator flamingos seen here. The biodiversity of this lake attracts hundreds of thousands of visitors per year. You can enjoy sunrise or sunset as well. For me, it was a great place to be here. I'm honestly speaking, I enjoyed a lot over here, but it might be quite a little bit difficult for the people who are like vegetarians in terms of food. Rest everything is awesome over here, and I hope you enjoyed my simple video on this famous lake. So please share and subscribe to my channel, and I will be putting part second of this video. It's not for